The Weld County DA is taking a shot at Governor Hickenlooper for his stance on the death penalty.
And this all stems from the Chris Watts case and has the governor on the defensive. Now, the DA is claiming Hickenlooper's refusal to carry out executions is partly to blame for his seeking a plea deal for the man who murdered Shanann Watts and their 2 little girls. And that deal will put Watts in prison for life. Denver 7's Liz Gilardi reports.
A shocking plea deal on Election Day, and when it comes to the death penalty, it's hard to avoid politics.
We have a governor in office right now.
It's Election Day, and some people can't control themselves.
Chris Watts pleaded guilty to 9 counts, including first-degree murder in the killing of his pregnant wife Shanann and 2 little girls, a deal that takes the death penalty off the table. The Weld County District Attorney explained the decision during a news conference, where he mentioned Governor John Hickenlooper twice.
We have a governor who has refused to make a decision as it relates to Nathan Dunlap. I explained that to the Rusick family, and obviously that gives them some pause.
The example he points to is Nathan Dunlap. He was sentenced to death in 1996 after killing 4 employees at a Chuck E. Cheese. So we asked the governor about it and the criticism directed at him when the deal was announced.
Depends on which DA you get and whether they want to spend all that money. It's very expensive. It costs baseline $15 million once you get through the appeals to go through a death penalty case. It prolongs the despair and suffering of the families.
And ultimately, Shanann's family helped make the decision. The DA says he spent time with them in their North Carolina home, where he explained what a death penalty case could mean for them.
She said he made the choice to take those lives. I do not want to be in a position of making the choice to take his.
Even with the plea, it's a step closer to justice for these precious lives lost. Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.